Jai Sriman
Oh Rama, like that everybody started saying and following and unable to stop there, unable to come back, but they are still following Sri Ramachandra Swami. Why? Nahi tasmat manah kaschit chakshushiva narottamat. Such a great, wonderful, handsome personification. Such great, wonderful, righteous personification Rama. From Rama, nobody is able to take off their eyes, nobody is able to take off their manas, their mind. Aravamude, adiyen vudalam, ninbal anbaye. They are unable to satisfy their eyes, they are unable to satisfy their mind. That is why they kept on staring at, looking at Rama. They kept on enjoying the divine personification of Rama. Yascharamam na pasyetu, encharamo na pasyati, ninditaha saha vaselloke swatmapiyenam vigarhate. If anybody is unable to see Rama, their mind itself tells them that your life is waste. To that extent, their mind, their antakaranam, their manas itself hates the one who is unable to see Rama, who did not get a chance to be under the divine grace of Rama. Their life is totally waste. To that extent, every citizen feels in that kingdom. Like that, everybody with so much of happiness, so much of joy, so much of affection towards Rama, they are all following Rama. Finally, the Ramachandra Swami's Radham, chariot, is entering Dasharatha Maharaja's palace. That chariot crossed two big gates, and two more gates are there. Rama has got down from that chariot. Padatihi apare Kakshye Dvejagama Narottamaha. Rama then got down from that chariot and started walking towards those two gates. Once he approached those two gates, Rama asked all the people who were following him, asked them to stop there, and then Rama entered into Antahpuram, the palace of Dasharatha Maharaju. The moment Rama went inside the Antahpuram, all the people outside, they are just started again waiting for Rama's arrival. Rama, when he is going to come out, like that, with so much of eagerness, everybody again started waiting for Rama. Rama went inside the Antahpuram. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.